To buy Bitcoin from Cash App, start by opening the app on your mobile device and logging into your account. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one by following the in-app instructions. Once you are logged in, tap on the Investing tab at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to a page where you can view the current price of Bitcoin and other available investment options. Tap on Bitcoin to view more information about the cryptocurrency, including its current price and a brief description. To proceed with buying Bitcoin, tap the Buy button and enter the amount you want to purchase. You can choose to buy a specific dollar amount of Bitcoin or a specific amount of Bitcoin. Cash App will then prompt you to confirm your purchase and provide some basic information about the risks associated with buying Bitcoin. Read through this information carefully and tap Confirm to complete your purchase. Your Bitcoin will be stored in the Cash App until you are ready to sell or transfer it. It is a good idea to set up two-factor authentication and enable any additional security features. To protect your account, you can also withdraw your Bitcoin to an external wallet if you prefer to store it outside of the Cash App. To do this, tap on the Bitcoin tab and select Withdraw Bitcoin. Follow the in-app instructions to enter the address of your external wallet and complete the transfer. It is essential to keep in mind that buying Bitcoin is a high-risk investment and you should never invest more than you can afford to lose. Always do your own research and consider seeking advice from a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. By following these steps, you can easily buy Bitcoin from Cash App and start investing in the cryptocurrency market. Remember to stay informed and adapt to any changes in the market to make the most of your investment.